Whiteboard paint reduces paper waste by 70% in classrooms that use it daily. I'm sure you've heard the news. Schools are drowning in paper waste. But what if there was a smarter, greener way to teach? Let's talk about whiteboard paint. Imagine turning any wall, desk, or even an old door into a reusable writing surface. With remarkable whiteboard paint, you can do just that. And it's changing how classrooms work. Here's the big win: schools using whiteboard paint every day have cut their paper waste by a whopping 70%. That's less trash, more trees, and a happier planet. No more restocking endless reams of paper or tossing sheets after every lesson. Whiteboard paint lasts over 10 years, resists staining and yellowing, and stays easy to write on, guaranteed. Teachers are creating custom student boards from painted particle board, so every kid has a reusable space for brainstorming, editing, or math practice. Even old desks can get a makeover. Just one coat, and they're ready for erasable work, again and again. It's not just about saving the environment. Think about your budget. U.S. schools throw away 32 billion sheets of paper every year. By going paperless with whiteboard paint, you cut printing costs and free up funds for what really matters. Plus, whiteboard walls are perfect for interactive lessons, group work, or quick quizzes. And the best part? They work hand in hand with digital tools for a truly modern, sustainable classroom. Ready to ditch the waste and save money? Call us at 800-936-2159 or visit www.remarkablecoding.com to learn more and join the paperless revolution.